They went on a trip looking for a Nova, but they came home with something completely different instead, and arguably better.
All right, my name's Bill Wimmer. I'm out of Keithville, Louisiana. Me and my son went to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee looking for a Nova, 66, 67 Nova. Couldn't find one. On the way out, we spotted this car here. And all we did was take a picture of the guy had the for sale and this number. And we were actually getting ready to leave. And I got on the phone and I called the guy. I said, "Is that price firm?" And he said, "Well, make me an offer." And I go, "Okay." Made him an offer, and I says, "And I need a trailer to go with it." And he goes, "I happen to have one." So I brought this car home. I've done some stuff to it. I put a 700R transmission in it. It is actually a 402 Chevy crate motor, a 72. And I pretty much just do car shows on the weekends throughout the year. And it's coming to an end. Yeah.
What all have you done to it since you had it other than that? Is that the same paint job as always had?
It's the same paint job. I've changed the wheels, transmission. I put classic air in it. If you notice in the engine compartment, I am the guy that does steel braided hoses.
Okay.
So I put all them on there. I put cruise control on it so I can cruise.
Yeah.
Right? And I just go down the interstate cruising.
So do you actually get some good driving out of it, or you just show it?
Say what?
Do you actually get to drive it quite a bit?
Almost every weekend.
Hey, there you go. That's what I'm talking about.
If it's not raining or not going to rain, I pretty much go to car show. I'm just south of Shreveport, Louisiana.
Okay.
And most of the car shows are in Marshall, Longview, Tyler. I just did one in Lindale, and that was a veterans show.
Okay.
It was real good. They give us little medals, and I did good. I won a trophy out of there. Yeah.
Okay. You got a nice ride, I can imagine so.
But here you're looking at this, all the cars that are in this class. It's going to be tough competition.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How long have you been coming to Autorama?
I've came here 3 different times, but this first time with a car.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. First time with a car.
All right. Well, good luck. You got a nice ride.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but I definitely prefer a Chevelle over a Nova. Still, I love both. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep on cruising.